What's up? Welcome to Power Plays Palace, man. Let's get to the charts. Boom. All right. So yesterday we were looking at a chart where we were gonna look for entry at 714.46, entry at 714.50 to 715.10 with a stop below 713. With our target being 716.20, 718.50, and 721. On the rejection side of it, if it did reject, we was looking for an entry around 714.46 with with up to 714.70, and then put our stop above 716 with the targets at 712.80, 712.50, and 710.80. All right, so let's look at the chart from yesterday. Boom. Y'all see that's pre-market right there too. All right, so yesterday what happened with the SPY, man? It came in, it opened up at around 713.20, went up to the 714 area, then it rejected and pushed back down to the 712 area, came back up, retested, pulled back a little bit to 713, then tried to break through again, and before it pulled all the way back to 712.30. And once it did that, it worked its way all the way up from 712.30 all the way up to 715.23. Came back for a little slight pullback to the high 714, 715 area. Then it went on back up there to 715.65 towards the end of the day. And it closed at 715.15. So that was a pretty good day. If you played the calls, you were able to see it, and you were able to get all the way up to the 715 area. It didn't break through, but you were able to get up there, and it did it in a way where if you were watching the market early, you saw it pull all the way back, establish those lows, and then work its way back up. So you could have got in right there, and it didn't reject hard as it could have, but it did reject all the way back to the 712 area, and before it worked its way back up. So you had an opportunity, I guess twice, maybe three times, to make some really good trades based off of what I saw in the charts. But that was a pretty good day overall yesterday. If you were able to get a good trade in one place or the other, you could have got it in. But, if you didn't, hey, man, try it again today, man. It's another day. So let's look at the chart for today. Now, what we had this morning was a little gap down. The yesterday's high and low was some good numbers, but we did have a gap down this morning from the highs yesterday down to 709 area this morning. And so what we'll be looking at today is we'll be looking to see if we can get back around the 714 area. If we break out above that, the 715, 715.60, with our stop below 713.80, with our targets being 716.80, 718.50, and 720.80. And we get that, we have a rejection short near 713.80 to 714.85, with an entry 713.85, 80 to 714.90, with a stop above 716.20, with our targets being 712, 710, 80, and 709.45. So that'll be a great day if we can hit those numbers. But right now, currently, this morning, man, we're currently around that 709 area. Let's go to the chart where you can see in the pre-market there was a gap down. As you can see right now, we ran all the way down to that 709 after we opened up around 714. We ran down this 709, and right now we're working our way back up. We're currently at 711, working our way back to 711. It's a lot of green, so it could be an opening market push right at the top. Cause if it get close to this gap, man, you never know. Could try to close that gap all the way back up to 716. So, hey, be mindful of that. Don't chase, but be careful. But that's our trade plan for today, man. You know, I'm excited right now. I'm looking at this thing. It's pushing up strong. Y'all see it's pushing up strong. Man, we gonna see what it's gonna do when the market open, man, in about 30 minutes. So we'll see what it does, and we'll go from there. But as for today, that's our trade plan, man. If you can get in and get what you can and get out, man, let's do it, man. It's Power Plays Palace, man. You have a good day. It's your boy, man. We out of here, man. You have a good one, man.